Imagine a world where ships glide across the oceans without a crew, fueled by nothing but clean energy, and sailing faster and more efficiently than ever before. The future of shipping is not just a dream, it's already underway. In the next 5 minutes, we're diving deep into the innovations that will transform the way we move goods across the globe. From autonomous vessels to sustainable fuel solutions, the shipping industry is on the verge of a revolution.
The current landscape of shipping is a sea of challenges. Demand for faster and more efficient shipping continues to rise, but so does the environmental impact of traditional methods. From rising carbon emissions to the congestion in major ports, the industry is struggling to keep up. Yet these challenges aren't insurmountable. In fact, they're pushing the boundaries of innovation in ways we never thought possible.
One of the most exciting developments in the future of shipping is the rise of autonomous vessels. These self-driving ships have the potential to drastically reduce operating costs and improve efficiency. Imagine ships that can navigate the world's busiest routes without a single crew member on board. But it's not without its hurdles. Biggest obstacles? Navigating regulations and public perception. Will people trust these ships to safely navigate our oceans? Real-world examples like the Yara Birkeland, the first fully electric and autonomous container ship, are already setting the stage for what's to come.
Next, we're turning to sustainable fuel solutions. The shipping industry is one of the largest contributors to global greenhouse gas emissions. But what if we could change that? Biofuels, hydrogen, and other alternative fuels are rapidly gaining traction as viable solutions. Cleaner, more efficient engines are being developed to reduce emissions, and ships are now being refueled by energy sources that don't harm the planet. The impact of these innovations is monumental, as they hold the key to making shipping not just faster, but cleaner and greener for generations to come. But innovation doesn't stop at fuel. The future of shipping is all about a connected ecosystem. Data and analytics will revolutionize how shipping operations are optimized. Imagine predictive maintenance that can prevent costly breakdowns or artificial intelligence that can determine the fastest, most fuel-efficient routes for every vessel. Blockchain technology will ensure greater transparency and security in the shipping process, making the entire supply chain more reliable and efficient. The possibilities are endless when technology connects every element of the shipping process.